this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do some fun watercoloring on this card with the Blessings of Home bundle. All right, in this video I'm going to show you some fun watercoloring with watercoloring pencils and water painter. So I've already stamped this image with the Stays On ink. You want to use Stays On ink. And I've used the shimmery white paper. So hopefully you can see the shimmer on there. Then I've used our watercolor pencils. I forget to use these, so don't forget to use these. And I have just colored right on here on all the shadows. And I tried to pick similar colors to what my card base was. So this is Balmy Blue. And then I've got Garden Green for the leaves. And then I used Daffodil Delight for the centers and Calypso Coral for these itty bitty little flowers over here. I'm going to add a little bit more color because I want some more color there. Then you're going to use your water painter, and I'm just going to clean it off just a little bit because it's still a little bit blue on the end. Okay, maybe it's just blue. All right, so I'm going to start with the lightest color, which is the Daffodil Delight, and I'm just going to start brushing on some water and spreading around the color. See how nicely that spreads? And then I'm just going to wipe off my brush. And I'm going to come back and do a little bit more of this Calypso Coral. I'll just kind of spread the color out a little bit more. Just love watercoloring. Okay, and then I'm going to do these Just Jade leaves down here. And so I'm going to start at the dark end and drag the color towards the end of the leaf because I want it to be lighter. I want contrast, a lot of contrast. Okay, clean that off again. And then now I'm going to do the blue. So again, I'm going to pull it from the center. And you can just keep pulling and you can add more, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to get a little bit more blue on this one. And then we'll come do this one and color in this one. See how fun this is? Just adding the color. Super fun. I love coloring. Okay, so you're just gonna fill that in petal by petal. And there you go. There's your beautifully watercolored flower. Okay, easy peasy, right? Okay, clean off your brush. Make sure it's nice and pointed. Sometimes I twist it to get it to a nice point. Always store your brushes up. I need to refill that one. Okay, and that's the watercolor pencil. So I'm gonna put those aside. And then for my card base, sorry, my voice is kind of raspy. I've used some of the Designer Series paper that is part of the Heart and Home suite. And what I love about it is it has these gray wood designs on the back. Super, super fun. I'm using the Blessings of Home bundle in the suite. And also the Hive embossing folder, which is a 3D embossing folder, so it creates a really deep impression. So I use this die to cut out these flowers, but you have all these fun extra dies too. So here's the embossed Hive piece, and then I have one of the doilies. This is also part of the suite. You have Basic Gray, Misty Moonlight, and Cinnamon Cider doilies, so those are super fun. And then I've stamped the thank you from the stamp set, and I've cut the bottom off because I just wanted the thanks. So it says, thank you for inspiring me. So I just did the thank you. And then let's see, I have a bee already stamped, colored with the pencils and then with the water painter. And I have some of the classic matte dots that are also in the suite. There's just so many fun things in this suite. So I'm just going to put everything together. So we'll put this flat, and the Misty Moonlight will be flat. And then we'll do Misty Moonlight. And then we'll do the doily flat. And then we'll add dimensionals to the flower. And I'm gonna try and put them on the edges so that I can get this to lay flat because it was wet. So it wants to curl up. So I'm probably gonna use more dimensionals than I normally do, but I'm just gonna go around the edges here. Okay. And then dimensional for this one on the end here. And then in the middle, because it's gonna overlap a little bit. Okay, maybe one more in the middle. Okay, so lots of dimensionals. Put that like that. And we have the thank you down here, like this. And then we have some of these. So we've got a large one, small one, another small one. Okay. And then we just need to add our little honeybee with some mini dimensionals. And that is our watercolor pencil card. So here's our little honeybee. So pretty. So I'm offering this card as part of my free card kit that you can get when you purchase either of the bundles from the Heart and Home suite. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Heart and Home card kit when you place your order. You can also place a $40 order using my current host code and let me know and I will send you this kit. Thank you for watching my video tutorial on this fun coloring technique. I hope you try it out. And if you like this video, please give it a like and leave a comment. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.